There's a new delivery app that every gig worker should have downloaded on their phone. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Unlimited Hustle here, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be introducing you guys to a new delivery app that's up and coming, and delivery drivers are able to make between $30 to $40 per order, and that's before tip. This new delivery platform is called PowerWorks. PowerWorks is a new addition to the Power app. So if you have been in the gig space for a while, you probably heard of Power. If you haven't, Power is an app that allows you to access information across rideshare platforms, such as exact drop-off location, full payout, dollar per miles, and auto decline. A while back, a lot of Dashers were actually using the Power app because the Power app would show them if that order had a hidden tip. This led Power to be talked about in the gig space. But recently, Power added a new feature in their app called PowerWorks. This is the feature that I'll be talking about in this video. So I'll give you guys a full rundown on why you should have this app downloaded on your phone. PowerWorks is a new food delivery platform. Now that you have an idea of what PowerWorks is, I'm going to be talking about what type of orders you'll be delivering. So on PowerWorks, you'll be delivering catering orders. One of the good things that comes with delivering catering order is that the pay is more. So you'll find that a lot of these orders, you'll be getting a payout of $30 to $40 per order, and that's before tip. So you could imagine how well the pay will be compared to these other food delivery platforms. Signing up for PowerWorks is super simple. You will need to download the Power app. If you don't already have the app, I'll put a direct link in my description where you can download the Power app. PowerWorks is inside the Power app, and I'll show you guys how to download the app and get started. Once you click the link in my description and you click to download the app, you'll just open up the app and you'll allow notification. So you just click allow notifications. So that way, whenever a new order comes, you'll be notified. Come to sign up and enter your phone number and email. And then they'll send a code to your phone, and just enter that code in and press continue. And now you're in. Once you sign up, to get to PowerWorks, you'll just come to the second tab where it says Works right here. You just click Get Started. To sign up, you'll have to link one of your gig platforms. It could be DoorDash, Grubhub, Uber, or Lyft. So I'm just gonna do my DoorDash account. Whichever platform you choose, you'll have to sign in and link that account to Power. And you come down to the contractor agreement. For the location, you're gonna do always allow, and then you come here. So that's pretty much it. So pretty much you just go to Works and then link one of your rideshare platform, and then you'll be good to go. Once you link your platform, you come back to Works, it'll show you all the orders that's available in your area. So that's how simple it is to get started with PowerWorks. As you see, this whole process took less than 2 minutes. Prior to PowerWorks, I already had catering experience because I worked a seasonal catering job before at Boston Market, and I was already familiar with how the catering process works. So pretty much what I did was, I'll show up whenever there's a scheduled catering that needs to be delivered. I'll show up to the restaurant maybe about 30 minutes early and pack everything up in my catering bags, put everything in the car, and I'll make sure to bring a cart. And I'll just go do my drop off, do the setup, and then I'll be done. Some of the requirements that you'll need to work for PowerWorks is you'll need a catering bag. That's actually something that they'll tell you that's required for a lot of these jobs, because with catering, you're going to be handling a large amount of food. So it is recommended that you have a large catering bag. If you could get a cart, that'll be even better. So that way you're able to bring all the food at once instead of making a bunch of trips back and forth. When you accept an order on PowerWorks, it will require you to download another app. For example, this order here at Freebirds World Burrito, this order required me to download Cartwheel. As you can see the instruction here, it said, once you accept the job in Power, you will have to download Cartwheel. and accept the job within 15 minutes. So it tells you how to use the app. And you can also see that this order here, it paid $30 and that's before tips. So that's pretty good. I'm going to talk about some of the pros and cons with Powerworks. I'm going to start with the pros first. One of the things I like about this app is it allows you to multi-app. As of right now, this isn't an app that you'll do full-time. So this is another app that you'll multi-app on. So the same way some people multi-app with Lyft and Uber, this is an app that you'll just add into the cycle. Let's say you rather do food delivery. So if you're out doing DoorDash, Uber Eats, you would add Powerworks in the mix as well. And personally, I would prioritize Powerworks because they pay out more. If I'm doing DoorDash or Ship or any one of those apps and a Powerworks order pop up, I will accept that Powerworks order because I know that this is going to pay me $30, $40 for that one order before tip. The way you'll use this app is to multi-app. Add it to the mix of the apps that you're already doing. Another reason why this is a great app is it's not much competition. A lot of people do not know about Powerworks. On DoorDash, there's millions of Dashers all across the board. This app is low competition. When an order pop up, the chances of you accepting that order is likely. Cater orders do tend to pay more and the tips are better. Let's say you're delivering to a school or a hospital. The employees will sometimes put money together to give you a good tip. So it's not necessarily just one person giving you a tip like you would get on DoorDash. With catering order, sometimes people come together, everybody pitch in a couple of dollars, and that way you end up with a higher tip. And some of the downside to Para is that this is a newer platform and they're still growing. There isn't a lot of orders available. There'll be times when you won't get any orders for a few days. That's really the only downside to this app is it's a newer platform and it's not much orders available. And that's why I said that you should use this as an addition to multi-apping. You know, just add it in the mix and I think it'll work out great for you. And once you do an order, they do have different ways of getting paid. They have instant pay available and they also have other ways to get paid for free. You're able to get paid once you complete that order. When you claim an order on Powerworks, you're claiming that order ahead of time. So you can claim an order today, but that order isn't until the next day or the next few days. So that way you have time to prepare for that order. The app will notify you before the order so you won't forget that you have an order scheduled to do that day. And I recommend arriving at the restaurant early. The app does allow you to get started 10 minutes early. So, you know, let's say you have an order for 11 a.m. You won't be able to start that order on the app until about 10:50. Once you arrive, you just hit start job and then you go into the restaurant and let them know the order number. So whoever is working, let them know you're picking up an order and tell them the order number. That's how they are able to identify the order. Like I mentioned, you will need a catering bag and a cart to make your job way easier. Once you pick the order up and deliver it, you just confirm it on the app and take pictures and then you're pretty much done. That's it. That's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to come on here to share this new platform with you guys. And like all these apps, it is going to be dependent on the market you're in. Some markets are going to be better than the rest. I definitely think you guys should go ahead and download this app and use it as a way to multi-app. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video.